Hello and welcome to Digital Classes on YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls Inter College. I am Mrs. Paul and this lecture of mine is going to be for the students of class 11. Children, there has been a change in your syllabus and you all know it by now. The book we have in our hand is Hornbill and Snapshots. This is a particular book which has been prescribed by the NCERT and it is based on the CBSE pattern. The purpose and the objective of including this book is to help learners develop proficiency in English by using language as an instrument for increasing thoughtfulness and acquiring knowledge. Let me give you a quick preface of this book, what it contains. Hornbill is the book that contains prose pieces drawn from biographies, travelogues, science fiction, art and contemporary descriptive prose lessons written by eminent writers from different parts of the world. They also include journalistic writings. The play included in the book is based on a theme that students will particularly identify with as it is in a lighter mood. The poems included in the book communicate universal sentiments and appeal to contemporary understanding to respond and to appreciate. Snapshots, the supplementary reader, has been prepared on the lines suggested by the NCERT framework. The choicest stories and biographical sketches by contemporary writers expose students to the real life narratives. Since young adults develop personal awareness and need independent thinking at a higher secondary stage, literature plays an important role in molding and shaping your young minds. Thus, the book in your hands is a 2-in-1 English textbook with solved NCERT textbook exercise along with short and long additional questions with answers. Now children, first of all let me tell you there is no need for you all to be anxious or to be worried about the change of the syllabus. Trust me, studying and understanding will be as interesting and fascinating as it was earlier, and it is going to be a fun learning class, that is my guarantee, and I will try my best possible to make the lessons as simple and modest for you all so that understanding becomes easy. What is required from your side is a lot of hard work and endurance, and you have to patiently be very obedient and do all that has been asked you to do. You will make notes, you will take down notes while you will get these videos of mine. You will make your notes, and what you are supposed to do is, as far as I have seen just now children, you will be required to be doing question answers, short question answers, long question answers, and there will be comprehensive passages from which questions will be based from that particular passage, and you will get answers within that paragraph, which you have already done in class 10, so it will not be a difficult thing. Up till now, I have not received any formatting of the exact question paper mark scheme. As soon as I will get that, I will discuss with you all so that you may know how will be your preparation for the examinations. But as for now, I can say that what you have to do is understand the text well and do your question answers. I think learning will become very interesting, and there is no need for you to be anxious as I am there to guide you. If you have any problems or doubts, you can put up your questions on the WhatsApp group. I will very soon meet you all in my next video with the lesson The Portrait of a Lady by Khushwant Singh. Stay home, stay safe. I will meet you soon children.